Mayong aga, Sir Bong.
Mayong
okay.
aga.
So nandito tayo ngayon sa Iloilo. Si Sir Bong, yung president ng Vespa Club Iloilo. So Sir Bong, ano bang meron dito ngayon sa event at itong Pilipinas Vespa Days 2025?
Yung VCOP nito, yung Vespa Club of the Philippines, ang real organizer. Kami lang yung naging host for this year's Pilipinas Vespa Days 2025. And we're really happy na ang daming pumunta dito, no? There's like 400 delegates who came all over from the Philippines, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And we have international delegates also who visited us.
Wow, ang dami. Sino nga pala yun? Si Danny from Malaysia.
Si Danny from Malaysia.
Okay.
Si Julie Pond from Australia. Si Maria and
sino pa? Akala ko yung taga Cebu, galing international yung pala taga Cebu, yung Korean. Nag-i-English kasi kanina
Englishero, no?
Ayan, we would like to take this opportunity nga pala. English, na gusto namin ikaw pasalamatan kasi inibitahan mo kami rito. Tsaka syempre yung mga organizers like sila Joseph Papa, sila Abetrana, Tessie Chan, tsaka si Robbie. Yan, si Rob. At syempre sa'yo, our gracious host.
Yes, actually, ako nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng dumalo. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi to naging successful. Kami po ay taga-ayos lang ng event na ito. Pero hindi to magiging successful kung hindi dahil sa inyo na pumunta kayo dito. So again, thank you for everybody for gracing this event. It was really fun. It's just day 0 yesterday. Namian ka man to sa Guimaras pagka to kagapon?
Maayo aga.
Hindi.
Di ba?
Tinatanong kita kung nag-enjoy ka sa Guimaras.
Oo naman, sobra. Sobrang sobra. Oo.
Nami,
masarap.
Hindi masarap. Nami is maganda.
Maganda. Nami.
Alam ko ba, alam mo na.
Nami. Madami. Tama ba? Yan.
Sabihin natin, let's tour the people watching us. Pakita natin ano yung happening dito.
Yan, pakita natin. Yan.
Yeah, well, this is the Vespa Village. We just opened a few minutes ago, no? So, meron tayong carving na PX na pinagawa para with all the decals of Iloilo yan, no? So, dun sa kabila, may mga batsoy for picture taking.
Nakabarak side mirrors.
Tapos ito yung Vespa Village natin. Maliit lang pero at least medyo masaya din, no? So thank you for the sponsors also came and
yung mga sponsors natin.
So ayan, kita mo dito yung sa kabila, ayan, may batsoy na lapas batsoy. Which
yan, mamaya kakainin natin yung lapas batsoy syempre.
So there. So that's the Vespa Village, and on the other side, we also have the Vespa Museum there. So ilang scooters lang yung nilagay natin and some memorabilias for the enthusiasts to enjoy also and for the Ilonggos to see also what community we have in Iloilo.
After this, what are we going to do?
We have a carousel ride touring all the delegates around the city. May kasama ng free tasting ng batsoy, pansit molo, and yung pinaka-sikat na kape namin dito yung Madge Cafe. You will also see the 3 churches, La Paz, Haro, and Molo, and some of the mansions that they can enjoy. So that pag nakita nila, nadaanan nila, mamayang hapon pwede silang mag-ikot-ikot, no?
Pwede mag-picture taking, syempre.
Picture taking. Yun. Tapos mamayang hapon, meron tayong gymkhana, and tonight we will have the gala dinner.
Yun, may gala. So guys, yan, maraming salamat ha. Thank you ulit, Sir Bong Garcia. Yan.
Thank you.
President of Vespa Club Iloilo.
Thank you, Scooter Depot, for really supporting us also, no? Malaking tulong yung over the years. Our relationship as good friends really helped us, no? And I hope the community will grow as one, no? So, sana magkaisa tayo para masaya tayo lahat. So, again, mabuhay ang Vespistis dito sa Pilipinas. Mabuhay tayong lahat.
Mabuhay lahat ang mga Vespa enthusiasts. Tsaka syempre, Mayor, maraming salamat ha. Mayor ng Iloilo. Ayan. So guys, thank you ha. Bukas ulit, meron tayo third day ng Vespa, ng Pilipinas Vespa Day. Third day tomorrow. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, thank you.
Ikutin ko lang ha.
Okay.
Papakita ko rin.
Hi, sir. Ano yung...
Ano pa ano nyo?
Morning. Morning all riders.
Sir, yung ano nyo pala yung
sa art ng Jabber, kung
Mark,
pwede
paalam na.
mag-assemble tayo.
Hello, pinatay ko na yung mic ko, sorry. Ano, paalam na tayo? Okay, thank you ah. Bukas ulit.